We need to buy some new furniture. The driver unloaded some boxes from the back of the truck. The narrowness of the streets caused many traffic problems. There was so much traffic that we were stationary for half an hour. Many streams have flooded their banks, making some roads impassable. We're being given too much homework, so we'll take things up with our teacher. They threw their chests out when marching in parade. Cheese will add extra bite to any pasta dish. Will you try a little porridge with some honey? There's a limit on how much luggage you can take on a plane. My rose bushes are being attacked by greenfly. Many children are being taught in oversized classes.